Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is Gift here. If you're new, you're highly welcome. So in today's video, by the title, you already know what we're going to be doing today. For today, which is Monday, we are having rice and this chicken sauce that I made. He enjoys his chicken, but I'm trying to get him to start taking some veggies, so that's why we are dishing this meal today. He's just going to take it with fried plantain, and yeah, so we're starting off really pretty well this week. Yeah, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, please do well to subscribe, like, all of that good stuff. So Monday's food was made a day before, but this Tuesday's meal I'm going to make it with you guys. It is just mashed potatoes and some egg sauce that I'm going to be making. He loves mashed potatoes a lot. He mostly takes it when he was still a little bit younger, but I'm still trying to get him to eat it too, because it's a very healthy meal. Yeah, so I'm just trying to saute the tomatoes and the onions, and I'm not going to show you guys exactly everything I did. You can just work your way into it. I'm just going to add some some spices. I'll add my crayfish. I added bell pepper for that taste, for that extra flavor that it gives it. So yeah, and I'll just add my egg and just whisk it all up in there to make sure everything is incorporated well. I don't want him to, because he loves fried egg, he loves picking eggs and just leaving every other thing in there. So I'm trying to mix everything together, allow it to cook well, and yeah. So now I'm going to go ahead and mash my potatoes. This is sweet potatoes. I've seen so many people use Irish potato, but no, I don't do that here in this house. I don't know. I've never tasted what mashed Irish potatoes tastes or feels like. I don't want to know, because I actually prefer it fried or cooked, just like that, not mashed. So yeah, I'm going to mash that up. And for my cream, I'm just using his milk. This is his Peak 3-in-1 milk, and it's very nice. So I'm just going to add that for that extra softness. Just leave a comment if you know the cream that they use in making mashed potatoes, please. I would like to know, because I'm still looking for it. So yeah, I'm going to just smash that all up and just do the normal thing, just dish it out for him, and that's it for Tuesday's meal. So for his fruits, he's going to be having apples today, but he doesn't take it with the back. So I always cut off the back of the apple and just put it there for him. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm trying to get him to eat more meals. He just turned 3, so I'm trying to get him to eat so many different kind of meals in this house, because he's getting too picky. So today we're having this abacha, African salad, however you know it as a. So I'm just going to, I already made that, and put in the fridge. It's really good to, you know, prep meals. It saves a lot of stress. So I'm just warming that up, and I'm going to be cooking some fish and frying it up for him. He loves fish, whether catfish, anything fish, he's in. So he loves his fish. He ended up not eating so much when he came back from school that day, but we're just going to be taking it a day at a time, okay? So I'm just giving him things that I know he should be eating. Yeah, and that's it. So all of that is already all up in there. And he's taking a banana and some grape for his food today, and that's pretty much it. So today we are making pasta. You guys, I always make sure that he has his carbohydrates, he has his vitamins, he has his proteins, you know, more like a balanced food for him. That's the main things I make sure he has. So I'm just frying up that tomato paste. I blended it and the onions. I ended up adding tomato paste. I didn't show you guys the part I was making the stew, so sorry, I was rushing this morning. So I'm just going to, you know, put everything together and allow it to marinate in that juice. This pasta was so good. I enjoyed it. I actually made enough for the whole house, so everybody really enjoyed it in the house that day. So yeah. I allowed that to cook for some minutes, and I'm adding this curry leaf. It's just added this different scent to it and added a little bit of more color to the food. So I'm just putting that all together, turning it all together, and I'm going to allow it to sit for some minutes or some seconds. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is what our meal is looking like. I added some boiled egg, some banana, and apple, and that's the meal for Thursday. So it's Friday and we're having finger food, nothing too, you know, serious or nothing too, you know. So I'm just frying up these Irish potatoes. It's just French fries. I use Irish potatoes and sweet potatoes, so you have options in there. He enjoys this very much. And yeah, then I'm going to fry up some egg for him. Also, he loves his fried egg very much. So I'm just frying that with some tomatoes, some onions, and salt, you know, everything you actually add to your egg, however you like it. Go on and add all of that. And I'm going to just, this is the quickest kind of meal I always make for him. And for his sauce to eat with the chips, I made this I just mixed up this sauce. It is what's the name, tomato paste and chili sauce, and it came out so good. I just mixed the two. I wanted to get ketchup, but I forgot and I was running out of time. I just decided to, you know, work my way in the kitchen, because that's what we mothers do. My mom always all of this, so you can never go wrong with some things, and it came out really good. So I'm just plating it for him. And you guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, because I enjoyed filming it, although it was a little bit of work, but it was worth it. Please let me know if you want more of these videos. I have so many other meals I'm willing to share with you guys, so let me know in the comments if you are interested. I'm very happy to do that. So this is what our meal is looking like, our plate is looking like, our lunch box is looking like, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys. I was yours, you were mine, but it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. Oh, you should have loved me better. Should have loved me better.